everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add Calendly invitees to Zoho campaigns as subscribers automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So Calendly is an appointment scheduling software and Zoho campaigns is an email marketing platform. So the idea here is that whenever an appointment is scheduled and a new invitee is created into your Calendly account, automatically the same invitee should get created as a subscriber into your Zoho campaigns. For this, we need to create a connection between Calendly and Zoho campaigns. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So not only Zoho campaigns, and instead of Zoho campaigns, we can also use MailChimp, MailerLite, MailerCloud or any other email marketing platform, and we can add the invitees to that particular email marketing platform. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So to start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add Calendly invitees to Zoho campaigns as subscribers. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to add the Calendly invitees as subscribers to our Zoho campaigns. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Calendly. In the trigger event, we have to select invitee created. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So log into your Calendly account. You can get your API key from the Calendly account integrations. So let's go to the Calendly account. Here we can find the integrations option. Click on it. And here when we scroll down, we can find the API and webhooks option. Click on API and webhooks. And at last we can find the API key over here. So let's copy the API key. And we have to paste the same API key over here. And let's click on save. And now the Calendly account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Calendly account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Calendly account. Now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to create a new invitee in our Calendly account. Let's create a new invitee. For that, we'll move to the home page. And here I have already created some events. So I am just going to use this Pabbly Connect support event right now. Let's click on view booking page, or else you can copy the link and you can open it in a new tab. Okay. And this page will get open. Okay. And let us select the date as 16th of March. Time as 11 AM. Click on confirm. Let's give the first name as Parker. Last name as Devin. Let's add the email address. Phone number over here. And let's click on schedule event. Phone number does not recognize. Okay, yes, I have just missed one more 8 over here. Okay, and let's click on schedule event. So here we can see that you are scheduled with Ashi Rai. So appointment is scheduled and a new invitee is created over here. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received. Okay. And here we can find the event as invitee created. And when we scroll down, here we can find all other details related to the appointment, its date, its time. Okay. Here we can find the invitee mobile number. Here we can find the first name, last name, and the email address of the invitee. So now we wanted using these details, automatically a new subscriber should get added to your Zoho campaigns. For that, come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find Zoho campaigns. In the action event, we have to select add or update subscriber. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now and click on connect with Zoho campaigns. Now it is asking for the domain. So I'm just entering my domain over here. You have to enter your domain and simply click on save. Now it is asking Pabbly Connect would like to access the following information. Let's click on accept. Authorization successful. And now the Zoho campaigns account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Zoho campaigns. Okay. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Zoho campaigns account. Now here we have to select the list name. So I'll take you to my Zoho campaigns. Here I have already created some list, that is Calendly invitees and pay kickstart sale. So if you want to create a new list, simply click on this create list button and you can create a list as per your requirement. So now I want the Calendly invitees to be added to this particular list. So we have to select the same list name over here. So let us select this list name as Calendly invitees. Now here it is asking for the first name, last name and other details of the invitee. So we have already got these details through the Calendly account. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay. Let us map them one by one. Let us map the first name. First name was Parker. Let us map the last name. Last name was Devin. Okay, I need to search in Calendly. Okay, here we have to map the email address. And after that, we need to map the company name. So we don't have the company name. I'm just leaving it as blank. If you have the details, you can map it over here. Here we have to map the phone number. This was the phone number. Here we have to map the website and the address details. So if you have all these details, you can map it over here. I'm not having all these details, so I'm just leaving it as blank. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received, and here in the message we can see a confirmation email is sent to the user and the user needs to confirm to successfully subscribe. So let us check whether the invitee has received any email or not. I'm just moving to the Parker Devin email address, and here we can find a mail, confirm your subscription. And let's click on confirm subscription. Okay, the page is getting loaded over here. It may take some time. Okay, and here we can see you are all set now. Thank you for joining our mailing list. So now let us check our Zoho campaign mailing list. We have to just refresh it. And here we can find the Calendly invitees as 1. Let us check who is the invitee. Let's move to the contacts. Okay, and here we can find that Parker Devin is added as a new subscriber to our Calendly invitee Zoho campaigns subscriber list. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time whether our integration is actually working fine or not. So I'll just move to my Calendly account once again, and here we are just going to make a new booking on the name of some other invitee. Okay, we are just going to create a new invitee, and this time let us select the date as 22nd of March, timing as 2 p.m. this time. Let's click on confirm. Let's add the first name as Ryan, last name as Glasgow. Let's add the email address. Here we have to map the phone number, and let's click on schedule event. Okay, and here we can see that a new invitee is created over here. But before the invitee gets added to our Zoho campaigns, first we have to just confirm it through the email address. So let us move to the email address of Ryan Glasgow. And here we can find a new mail from Ashi Rai, confirm your subscription. So let's confirm the subscription over here. You are all set now. Thank you for joining our mailing list. Okay, now let us check our Zoho campaign mailing list. We have to just refresh it. Page is getting loaded over here. Okay, and here we can see that a new member or a new subscriber is added to our Zoho campaign list. The name is Ran, last name is Glasgow, along with his phone number and his email address. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Calendly and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the invitee whenever a new appointment was scheduled, and the same invitee was added as a subscriber to a Zoho campaigns once the invitee confirms the subscription on his or her email address. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Calendly and Zoho campaigns using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.